Today we will show a 3D operation. There is an electromagnetic flow meter in front and a flow control valve in the back. An electromagnetic flow meter is also installed on the vertical pipeline. The electromagnetic flow meter should be installed upstream of the flow control valve, and there should be no less than 10 times the diameter of the straight pipe upstream of the flow meter. There should be no less than about 4 to 5 times the diameter of the straight pipe downstream. When the flow meter is installed on a vertical pipeline, the flow direction of the measured fluid should be from bottom to top. The purpose is to allow the measured fluid to fill the pipeline and make the flow measurement more accurate. In the figure, it's installed in a vertical pipeline. If the fluid is not full and flows down sparsely, the flow we measure is inaccurate at this time. Next, let's look at this picture. There are 5 electromagnetic flow meters in the picture. Their installation positions are shown in the figure. Among them, the suitable installation positions are C and D. Because the fluid can fill the pipeline and the measurement is more accurate, there may be bubbles on the top of position A. The fluid may not fill the pipeline at positions B and D.